and the sun returns. Oh yes. Instead of loads of thunder clouds all around you, not knowing which one you're going to get hit by, and your feet soaked, your body's soaked, your gear soaked. As long as you don't overdo it and get heat exhaustion like I did previously. Not nice. Every morning for the past 2 weeks, when I've woke up, there's always been some spider tucked in my fleece or tucked in my baggage. I call it breaking into your wild side. You know, they say it takes 2 weeks to make a habit, 2 weeks to break a habit. It's the same with routine. You know, once you've been out in the wild for a good 2 weeks, sometimes it takes people longer, sometimes quicker. But you tend to just get your wild side back, and you don't care as much how dirty or clean you are, or whether there's insects around, or pains that you go through. Just naturally living in the wild again, which is a great feeling.